and it's my pleasure to welcome you to the ET adventure. But I'm afraid we don't have much time, so I'm going to cut right to the chase. ET needs your help. Now, I've just received an urgent message from ET's teacher, Botanicus, calling for ET to come home right away. You see, a big problem has developed 3 million light years away on ET's home world, the Green Planet. ET's friends are in danger because their planet is dying. Remember what ET's friends look like, because it's going to be up to you to help ET find them once we get him home, and there's not a moment to lose, because only ET's magic healing touch can save his friends and bring his planet back to health. ET must go home, and only you can help him.
Eden.
Ah, ET.
Trouble.
That's right, ET. So why don't you show these people how we're going to get you back to the Green Planet? You and ET will be making your 3 million light year journey on these bikes, but don't worry, you don't have to pedal. But you will need an interplanetary passport. So before you leave with ET, tell your first name to one of our assistants, and they'll give you your pass.
Oh.
Sounds like ET's ready to go. So good luck, everyone. And remember, ET's counting on you, and so am I.
Oh.
It's up to you to save his planet so that he may visit us again.
Rescue bike is next on outside, next on outside.
If you throw a coin in Jackson Spring, you'll return to the ET ride.
Wait, they got ET! They're getting away. Unit 3, cut them off! Hey, get the left way! The orange light! I see him! Come on, let's go!
Home.
E.T. Go to Tickly. Hurry.
Tickly. Ouch. Welcome home.
Welcome home. You
Mad dog.
Saved our planet! Come, celebrate with us!
Right.